Hello everyone, this is Keso. I have secured All India rank 312 in UPSC CAPF 2024 and welcome to this video. We have started a series of video lectures in which we will be solving the PYQs of all subjects for last 15 years. So in this video, I'll be talking about the PYQs of POLITY for CAPF 2024, and we will also see a solution along with their explanation also. So let's move ahead with the video. This is the first question. It was related to pocket veto, like which president sent back the Post Office Amendment Bill of 1996. So the question was dropped by UPSC, but here if the question would be which president exercised pocket veto on Post Office Amendment Bill, then the correct answer should be ज्ञानी जैल सिंह. यहाँ पे वैल्यू एडिशन के लिए यू शुड रीड द टाइप्स ऑफ व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वीटो एंड विच वीटो पावर इज एब्सेंट इन केस ऑफ इंडियन प्रेसिडेंट. So if we have to see what is pocket veto, so it is a president's power to indirectly reject a bill by withholding the assent and not returning it to the parliament, and in future it kills the legislation or the bill. So in this case, president withhold the assent and it does not return to the parliament, and it simply keeps under his pocket. So that's why it is called pocket veto. Let's see second question. It is related to civil services and all India services. So under which one of the following articles a member of a civil service, whether of the union or of a state, seeks protection from the unlawful dismissal from the services? So the correct answer would be B, article 311. And for further value addition, we'll see all these articles. So in article 309 we see the conditions of services of person serving under the union or a state. In article 315 we see public service commissions for union and the state, and in article 320 we see the what are the functions of the public service commissions. Let's see the next question. Which one among the following reports states that the budget is seen not as a simple balancing of tax receipts against expenditure, but as a sophisticated process in which instruments of taxation and expenditure are used to influence the course of the economy? So here the correct answer would be Plowden report on control of expenditure. So these types of questions are called as bouncer questions. So you have to decide in exam hall whether to attempt this question or not, as it is neither in any standard book nor in any NCERT book. So you'll have to decide in exam hall that you should leave or not. Let's see the next question. It is related to fundamental rights. So here statement 1, some rights contained in part 3 of the Constitution of India are enforceable against the states only, which is absolutely right. So article 14 and 21 are example of such fundamental rights. Then second statement, some rights contained in part 3 of the Constitution of India are enforceable in favor of citizens only, and it is not given to foreigners. So here it is also correct. So article 15, 16, 19, 29 and 30. Article 15, 16, 19, 29 and 30 are available to citizens only. Third statement, some rights contained in part 3 of the Constitution of India are enforceable against both the state and the individuals. So all the three are correct. Here article 15, 2, 17, 23 and 24 are enforceable against both state and individuals. So all are correct. Let's see the next question. It is related to municipality and panchayat. So under which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India the seats are reserved for SC and STs in every municipality? So here the correct answer would be C, 243. Seats are reserved for SC and STs in municipality. And in article 243R there is composition of municipalities, 243S constitution and composition of ward committees, and 243ZA elections of municipalities or state election commission for elections of municipalities. Let's see the next question. Which one of the following statements are correct? The abolition of the Official Secrets Act was recommended by second ARC, right? And the Right of Information Act was enacted in 2005. So both are correct. And the next three questions were asked from Finance Commission only. So we'll have to read the Finance Commission very carefully and very comprehensively, as every year 2 to 3 questions are asked from this topic. So you can refer to our POLITY series of lectures where we have covered Finance Commission very comprehensively. And let's see the question number 96. The 15th Finance Commission used fiscal effort as a criterion for horizontal devolution, unlike the 14th Finance Commission. Correct. And then both 14th and 15th Finance Commission used pre-2011 demographic variables as a criterion for horizontal devolution. So in Finance Commission we see horizontal and vertical devolution. So both used pre-2000 demographic variables. So both are correct. Let's see the next question. What is the percentage weightage assigned to forest and ecology in the evolution formula used by 15th Finance Commission? So correct answer would be 10%. Here you can see in this table 10% for forest and ecology, 12.5% for demographic performance, tax effort 2.5%, and then area 15%, population 15%, and then income distance 45%. And then this question, last question, population of the year 2011 was first introduced in the tax devolution formula for sharing union tax revenue with the states by 14th Commission. So in this chart you can see in 14th and 15th Commission population of 2011 census was used. So here the correct answer would be C, 14th Finance Commission. Let's see the next question. This is the last one. It was also a bouncer, as these committee and commissions are not like mentioned in any standard book. So let's see this question. For Kothari Commission, Civil Services Mains Examination and Interview, then Satish Chandra Committee, inclusion of medical and engineering subjects, PC Hota Committee, entrance examination for civil services after class 12, and YKL Committee, objective methodology for personality assessment. So that's all in this video. I hope you liked the session. If you guys want us to continue this, then please comment your opinion, and we will try to cover last 15 to 20 years PYQs through this series. And thank you for watching. Please do subscribe the channel.